This week I'm testing the Kia Niro GT line. It's a fully electric 5-seater, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is I can fit 3 infrasecured child seats across the rear seats of the Kia Niro. And legroom is good in the front still too. With a rear-facing child seat in the back, we can fit a 182cm passenger in the front. Number 2 is the boot of the Kia Niro is nice and big for a small car like this, and it drops down around 10cm too. So you can get a nice big double pram in there if you need to. Number 3 is this fully electric Kia Niro is nice and easy to charge from the front here. It does around 460 kilometers to a full battery range. It is a little bit slower than some EVs to charge up from 10 to 80%. However, it's got all those lovely benefits of being nice and quiet, not polluting the world while you're driving your kids to sleep and doing the school runs and things like that. We have loved our week with the new Kia Niro this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.